famous, empowered. A perfect life plus a perfect love story. I met Babe in an event. He was my ideal guy. He gave me a perfect love story. Pero ang lahat ng bagay, kaya pala talagang sirain ng droga. Unti-unti siyang nagbago dahil sa bisyo niya, hanggang sa hindi ko na siya makilala. I left him because I don't want to be dragged in his miserable life. But yesterday, he messaged me asking for a second chance. Kaya niyang talikuran ang bisyo niya because that's how he loves me. Even if my friends and family were against it, dahil mas matindi